Well, there you go. It's filming.
It is.
Don't knock him off the net though. There you go.
That's my uncle's second walleye right there. I didn't film the first one that he caught. Oh, sheephead. Net it. God.
The net sheephead.
No, I don't want my line broken.
Haha. Yeah, he was.
That sheephead I really wanted my dad to net because I didn't want the line to break, but oh well. I could have just flipped it in, I guess. It is 10-pound test, but I just don't want it to stretch or break or anything like that. That's why I told him to get the net. Oh. It's still there. I didn't think it was there. It's a... Yeah. Get it? What the heck? I thought I missed it.
Oh boy.
I didn't think it was there.
Right there.
That was actually the first time I ever saw the line move like that.
That was Terry's walleye. Wasn't that Terry's walleye?
I thought I missed it, but it was still on. Nice walleye. Let's get another one of them. Let's get another one of them walleye. I thought I missed it. I set the hook. You guys can see that because I was filming the whole time. And I thought that I missed it right away, but it must have just like spit out the jig and then wanted it again, and it just slammed it. And then I set the hook and I got it. It's a nice melker that I caught. We just caught melkers tonight. Yeah, right.
Better knock that off, Jared.
There's a walleye.
Oh boy. Oh, something.
Oh, that's a walleye.
Walleye time? I think it's storm time. It's pretty black that way.
Well, you think we should leave?
Yeah.
I think we should too. Let's get out of here. It's starting to get pretty windy.
We're giving her up.
Thanks for watching today's walleye fishing video. If you liked the video, then give us a like and comment what you think.